Let's determine the value of the unknown represented by x. Here we have 2x plus 6 equals to negative 4. To solve for the value of the unknown, we are going to remove necessary terms and coefficients in that side of the equation involving the variable x. And we are going to make sure that it will only be x that will appear on that side. Here, we are going to choose the left-hand side as that side. Of course, we already given here with 2x plus 6 equal to negative 4. To solve for x, we are going to remove first this term, positive 6. To remove positive 6, we're going to apply this operation, minus 6, so that 6 or positive 6 minus 6 will become 0, hence the term is now removed. But please do not forget to also do the same thing on the other side to retain the equality. This is one of the properties of equality we really need to follow. That would mean the result on the left hand side will just be 2x, and our right hand side will become the result when these two terms be combined. Negative 4 minus 6, you will have here negative 10. Now that we are done removing the term, we are going to remove now this coefficient of 2 because we are solving for x, not 2x. We can remove that since 2 and x is separated by multiplication. We are going to divide this term by 2, so that 2 divided by 2 is just 1, leaving x. Again, do the same thing on the other side, divide by 2 as well. In short, the result for our unknown is equal to the quotient of negative 10 and 2, which is negative 5. Now, before we declare that this is really the correct answer, we could always check our result, and by means of checking, that value should satisfy the original given equation, 2x plus 6 equal to negative 4. What do you mean by satisfy? That means if we are going to substitute x being negative 5 as the value of the unknown we were able to solve earlier, the equality here will still remain. This would mean once we substitute negative 5 to x, so 2 times negative 5 plus 6, this would be equal to negative 4. The goal of checking is to make sure that both sides of the equation will have the same value or expression. In this case, we're just verifying, so please do not forget to place question mark. Here, you have 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10, plus 6. Even if it's still obvious, and we are just checking, please continue in placing that question mark, because the goal here is to come up with balanced equation. In this case, you have here negative 4, this is also negative 4. At this time, you can now say that the equation has been satisfied, and this value of x being negative 5 is not just any answer, but the solution to our equation. Hence, this is the value of the unknown. Join us to the next adventure involving the unknown.